everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the Panner's Pan. This was created by Liz, aka Kooky Pans, from Instagram. It is all about paying homage to panners that you enjoy watching, and you know, just giving some appreciation for this amazing panning community and the people within it. The idea was to start with 10 project panners and pick a product to represent them in whatever form it is appropriate for you. And as you reach your goal for that particular product and that panner, you roll them out and you roll someone new in. I love this project. I love it so much because I have found so many people to watch just from watching other people's updates. I love it. I love this community. I feel like it is growing and there's just more people to watch and love. And I mean, who doesn't want their community to be bigger and stronger and better? I don't know, but I'm loving it. I have gone through, let's see, how many people have rolled out already? 6, because the first 10 that I brought in some hard products for, and it was a little slow going. Okay, it was a lot slow going. And my dog is barking. Not my dogs, not my feet, but my actual dog. So yeah, I had some hard products in the very beginning, and I realized there's so many people I want to roll in. I'm trying to find products that are a little bit easier for some people, and you know, so I can, like, not that I can't appreciate them longer, but just so I can appreciate more people. Hope that makes sense. So I'm going to go through who is still in, what I have for them, what progress I have, because I'm not rolling anyone out or in this time, because I'm not crazy like some people, not mentioning any names, Paula, where they do this progressive. And I know there's other people that are doing this progressive as well. I can't. I have too much stuff going on. And yeah, I got to dial it back a bit. All right, so starting with my girl Dana. She's Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart on Instagram. She's only on Instagram. I have this Urban Decay Vice Special Effects. It's the lip topper. It's in the color Regulate. I use it on my eyes, which is originally how I only used it, because she does some amazing eye looks, and she does some bold, amazing eye looks sometimes. She did a lot more bold last year because she was panning different things, but that's how I think of my girl. I was struggling with this one because you can see that there's like windowing here. I finally popped the stopper out of this one, and pretty much from here to here is empty. There is a little bit on the sides, but the product is only from here down, which it's hard to get to. I can get like just the tip of the brush in there and get some, but I know I'm going to end up having to pull out my little spatula for that. If this one will fit in there, then I'll use that in this one. If not, I might see if I have a different like lip gloss wand or something else that can reach down in there and get that. But I feel like I'm making good progress. I'm actually going to mark a line here because I feel like that's pretty good accurate representation of where I am on this product, and I would like to be able to like physically measure it. So we're gonna go with that. I'm gonna put that line on there. The one thing I did notice is like the top is not quite as snug since the stopper is out, so hopefully it doesn't dry up. We'll see how this goes. All right, going on to Nona. I mean, does everyone know Nona? My So-Called Life. Of course, these ladies are going to be linked down below. I have ColourPop's Palooza from the Honey palette for her. I have used it once since the last update. I don't know, like sometimes I feel glitter and sometimes I don't, and I have not been feeling glitter as much. I have a feeling when we get into fall, this is going to be more of a fall color for me. I have a feeling I'm going to be using it a lot more then. For Amber F, because she created Pan That palette, but she also panned Naked palettes. I have this from Naked 2. This is Tease. I have a bit of a dip going in that. If I could hold on to it. I feel like I could hit pan on this maybe by the next update. I don't know. I've scraped a little bit out here or there to franken some other things slightly to make them a little bit more usable, but everything that has been frankened with this little bit is done and gone, and I didn't want to franken anything else with it until I did my update. So I might be able to hit pan by the next update, but my intention is to finish the whole thing. All right, moving on to Claire Elizabeth. I have this Coastal Scents Hot Pot in light pink. I am making some major progress on this one. My intention is to finish this one for her, and I don't know if I can do it by the next update. I'm making good progress, but my goal would be to like finish half of what is left on here. I don't see me finishing it by the next update. For Rebecca, Panning and Stuff, which I think she's definitely changed her YouTube to her name, and I still think she's Panning and Stuff on Instagram. I'm gonna have to double check that. I'm not really sure. I have a lipstick that was a potted lipstick for her. I recently scraped that out and melted it, and it is now in here with some other stuff because I was never using it because it was potted, which is why I put it in this project for her, because it was potted. But I'm going to show you where I am. That is what I have left of it. I will be able to keep track of it, and I will actually use it, which is kind of a miracle unto itself, because I feel like this has been in here unused for so long. So it is actually in my Lip Smacker Sprite tube, and we'll just see how that progress goes. I feel like it's going to get used a lot more now. All right, moving on to Emily from Emily and Max. I put in a non-cruelty-free product for her. I absolutely love this product, but it's not cruelty-free, so it made sense to pick something that was not cruelty-free since she's working on all of hers. This is the Exuviance Performance Peel, which I absolutely love. Last update, I was at 5 of 13 left, and I'm happy to say I am down to 3 of 13 left. I have those 3 activators plus the neutralizer pads. If this is not done by the next update, I believe it will be done by the update after that, because like I go through phases where my skin needs peels more often, and then sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if it's because I'm out in the sun more and my skin just needs to get that layer off. I'm not sure, but I've been using the peels like twice a month now. So I expect that to either be done or close to by the next update. Moving on to Danny, my girl Danny. She is another one that is trying to get her cruelty-free stuff out of her collection. She was doing the 100% cruelty-free Project Pan, and she started with all her Morphe palettes, so just to hit pan in them. So I pulled this from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the color Royalty, and I'm attempting to hit pan in that. I don't know if you can see the dip in the center. Hopefully you can in there. Might have this one done by the next update if I remember to actually put it in a makeup basket. We'll have to wait and see. Let's see. I have Steph Lyons and Delyn, who is Outward Processing. I brought them in together, and I brought 2 products in that were very similar because they created Partners in Cream Project Pan, which I love. So I brought in 2 products, one for each of them that would be appropriate for that project. And they're both... They're like on par with one another. You can see, let's see, who was who. Steph, I brought in Electric Daisy, which is the green, and I brought in Prance for Delyn, and I was at these lines last time. I am just barely below the lines now. It just didn't seem prudent to put a new line on there because it would be like smushed up against the previous line. I think I used each of these twice since the last update, and I'm not going to get very far only using it twice in a month, so I need to step that up a little bit. And the last one is for my girl Kana. I have some empties, but she's not done because I've put in 14 products for her, all Perfume Samples. I had Soul by Curve. I had all of these from Avon, like tons and tons and tons. I've used 10 of 14. And I still have these 3 Rare Sapphire Perfume Samples. They're like the little vials inside. And then I have a really, really old Paris Hilton one. So those need to be done in order for Kana to be done. So that's why there's no rollout, even though I technically have some empties, because I have 4 more for Kana. I do believe those are going to be done by the next update. I'm not super worried about those because I like my fragrance. I like to smell pretty all the time. So I'm not worried about those perfume samples at all. So no roll-ins this time. Hopefully I will have 1 or 2 next time. Hopefully, crossing my fingers. I'm pretty sure that I could potentially hit pan on Royalty, and I'm almost positive I can finish up those 4 perfume samples. So potentially, oh wait, also the Performance Peel from Exuviance. So anywhere from 1 to 3 roll-ins next time. So we will see how that goes. Definitely check out some of the panners that I have mentioned. They're going to be listed down below. If you want to do this project, it is open to anyone that wants to do it. Just pick your 10 panners, your 10 10 products, and then just have at it. And if you are doing this project, wow, I cannot speak today. If you are doing this project, let me know down below. I would love to come check you out. I want to discover more panners. If you know, if I haven't already watched that person before, I would love to go check them out as well. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.